Hello and welcome to the Philip Effect. In this video today, I'm just going to be showing you very simple stuff. It will be in two solutions, two possible solutions. Like if you're looking for your Bluetooth, you can see at this point I couldn't find it. And then let's assume normally you need to click on your Windows button, this one here. Just click on that and then you type in Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth here. Click on Bluetooth and other devices, this first one. This one here. Just click on that just once, and then when you come here to the Bluetooth settings, you can see there's no button to turn the Bluetooth on here. Normally it's supposed to be here, and you can see it's shown that the Bluetooth is turned off, but there's no button here to turn it on or turn it off or whatever. So if for example you clicked on this and you want to add the new Bluetooth device, you will see this error message, couldn't connect. So let's close this first. So we'll be trying the first method. Okay, so let's click on this Windows button again, just this one here. We click on that, then we type in Bluetooth, and then from this drop down menu that we'll get now, you click on Find and Fix Problems with Bluetooth Device. This option here, you'll definitely find it with the Bluetooth sign at the left hand side. Just click on it once like we did before. You'll get this tab, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problem. This is the option for Bluetooth. Find a fix problem with Bluetooth device. So click on next. I don't actually like to make my videos too long so it doesn't get too stressful or boring for you guys. So I will just make this part faster. Now it's true, so we click on apply face, but let's just read it through. Let's click on apply face. So now it's true. At this point you can actually click on next. At this point you need to click on next, but let's just read it through first so you understand why we're doing what we're doing. You can see on the lower part, if you clicked on that now, everything is still off. Let's assume we go to show Bluetooth devices. You just click on that. You will see now we have the button. That means the process we just made has worked. That's how you actually do. So that is the first method. But let's continue the installation first, so we can be sure what we're doing is perfect when we are through. So now you need to click on next. This will take a little bit time, but it's not so dramatic. Nothing else can happen at this point actually, but I like to do my things to the end. So now you can see check Bluetooth radio status is completed now. So let's close this. So now if we go to Bluetooth, you see it's at the exact position where it's supposed to be. Now we've solved the problem. So the second method is this driver that I had on this desktop. I'll put it in the description for download too. Or you just need to double click on it. You download it and you open it. And you just click yes. So that will be it actually. And then you can use it as a driver, as a replacement. If this video was useful to you, please click on the like button and comment if you have any questions regarding this video or other videos that you would like to see. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so. It helps the channel grow. Have a nice day, y'all.